Imagine a world where agreements are executed automatically. Parties, no delays, no human error. That world already exists thanks to smart contracts. In today's episode of SavvyChain, we're diving deep into what smart contracts are and why they're revolutionizing industries worldwide. A smart contract is a self-executing agreement written in code, stored on the blockchain. It automatically enforces the terms of an agreement when predefined conditions are met. Think of it like a vending machine. Insert money, make a selection, and the machine delivers. No cashier, no disputes. Similarly, a smart contract cuts out the middleman in digital transactions. If Alice sends one ETH to Bob's wallet, the smart contract will automatically transfer Bob a digital service, like a course or NFT, without any human involvement. Smart contracts bring transparency, trust, and efficiency into digital transactions. Here's why they're a game-changer: trustless systems. Parties don't need to trust each other, they only trust the code. Cost-efficient, no lawyers, no escrow, no intermediaries. Speed: transactions execute instantly once conditions are met. Security: immutable and stored on the blockchain. Global access: anyone with an internet connection can interact with them. Decentralized finance, DeFi, lending platforms, insurance payouts based on weather data, NFT marketplaces, supply chain tracking. But it's not all perfect. Poorly written smart contracts can be exploited. Once deployed, they can't be edited. So a bug in the code can mean millions lost, as seen in the infamous DAO hack of 2016. That's why auditing smart contracts and hiring experienced developers is crucial. Smart contracts are the backbone of blockchain applications. They're changing how we interact with money, ownership, and agreements online. If you want to be blockchain savvy, understanding smart contracts is non-negotiable. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this, only on SavvyChain.